Hey beauties, it's Nikea here with some Marley Bun styles. As you can tell from the title, my hair is looking really sad and drab, and it's been a while since I washed it and I don't feel like washing it, so I'm going to put it up in some protective styles until I have the time and I'm in the mood to wash it. So as you saw, I'm just spraying it with some water to get the hair in a more manageable state. And I'm going to apply my Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel to the back and keep my hair directed up. I'm using my wave brush to smooth everything out. And again, this does not have to be like a slick, smooth style because you're using Marley hair that's textured, so you can have some texture in your hair because that'll match the Marley braiding hair that you're going to be using. And I already put on the Murray's Edge wax to slick those edges down. Make sure that kitchen is late. And then I'm just going to repeat those same steps on the front portion and the sides of my hair. Now I'm just going to put this up into a high ponytail. And I'm just using the Cream of Nature edge control in black to fill in on my edges a little bit where it's a little bit thin, and voila, you would never know. So I'm going to use a scarf to lay this down, and now here's where I'm twisting the ponytail and securing it down with bobby pins, creating like a little twisted bun on top of my head. Here I'm using Jamaican twist braid hair. I got this from Sam's Beauty. And this is by Equal. I got it in the color 4 because my hair is a light brown color. And this is how it comes straight out of the package. So I only got one pack of hair, but you could always use more to make this look a little fuller. I know previously I've used Marley braiding hair, and it was actually a little more hair in the pack, so I was able to create 2 of these little bundles that I'm creating here. So I'm just taking a hair tie and wrapping it underneath the bundle, split in half, and then looping it around to create a hair tie at the end of the bundle, so I can just put that around the bun at the top of my head. But like I was saying before, I've bought a bundle before of this type of hair, which was more full than this. You can rock it to the side like this if you want to. JK. Alright, so I'm going to show you all a few different Marley Bun styles. There are so many ways you could do this. Probably so many ones you could come up with yourself. But these are just the ways I've worn it before and like to wear it. So I'm just wrapping the hair as it is around each other. So creating like a messy top knot bun and then securing the end in place with a closed bobby pin. And then I plan on going back with some open bobby pins to kind of shape it and mold it and just to secure the hair down. And you see there's texture in my actual hair, and it matches the Marley braiding hair. Here's the first messy Marley bun. And I love Marley Bun styles. They are so like sleek and just regal and royal. Alright, so just opening the hair back up. Gonna take one side and going to braid it in a loose-ish braid. need to secure it at the ends with any type of rubber band or anything. This hair typically holds. And then I'm going to split that other side in half, and with one half I'm going to create a bang. I started with the bang here first, which you'll see is going to like fall down. But just trying to see like where I want it to lay and how I want to place it. And then I'm just going to secure the back of the bang to the back of my head where the bun is at the base with the bobby pin. And then that other half I am going to just twist it up. So this is going to create like different levels and texture and dimension in your bun. So go back through and loosen up that braid a little bit. And see, here's where I take the bang down. Trial and error. So wrapping the braided part around and securing the bottom of that to your hair with the bobby pin. And then the twisted section, you're going to go in the opposite direction and do your best to cover up your hair underneath there. And then secure that down. And we'll go back and I'm going to go back and shape that later. But I'm going to take the bang and position that back where I want it. And then going back with some open bobby pins to kind of shape it and mold it to get it to my liking and position the bang where I want it. And again, you can pull this down forward more where you like it. If you want it more on your face, you can do that as well. See here, I'm just pulling it down, trying to get it lower. And that's what the top looks like. And here's our second Marley Bun style. Alright, time for the third one. I'm going to leave this braid in here. And I'm going to use that as a bang. So kind of roll it up into like a little cinnabon at the front of your head. So that's going to be like a bun in the front of your head. A braided bun bang. Tongue twister there. And of course I did this backwards. I don't know why I did the bangs first instead of the bun. So do your bun first, then if you're going to have a bang for these styles, do the bang last, because it's going to get in your way when you're trying to wrap your bun. So the rest of the hair is going to be braided as well, similarly to what we did previously. So braid it very loosely and then kind of pull it apart. It's like a messy braid, and pulling it apart gives it a fuller look. So I got the bun wrapped around, and now I can secure the bang in. So with the bang, what you want to do is secure it to itself with the bobby pins, and then secure it to your head with bobby pins. And you're going to need to use the closed bobby pins to secure it to your head. And then of course you can go back in with the open bobby pins to shape it and mold it to your liking. Alright, for this next style, it's a quick transition from this one. So I'm just taking down that rolled up bun bang at the front, and I'm just going to wrap that braid in the opposite direction of the other one, tuck it and pin it, and now you have a braided top knot Marley bun. So again, just go back in and shape with bobby pins. Make sure all your ends are tucked. And that is the fourth style. Looking like a Nubian goddess queen. Alright, for this last style, I took both of those braids out, so I'm just going to twist the entire bundle on my head like a jumbo twist, and I'm going to wrap that around the top knot bun of my hair. So for this one, it's okay if your little twisted bun is sticking out. It's going to be a part of the style, so it's creating like a little halo around the bun at the top of your head. You can make this bun a little bit looser. I would have opened it up a little more, like not wrapped it so tight around my bun so that I could get that full halo effect. And then just going back with some bobby pins to shape it and secure it down. Last style, you can see the top part, creating this beautiful bun. Thank you so much for watching, beauties. Be sure to thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be sure to see you in the next one. Bye. Oh yeah, watch these two videos. Click on my picture. Bye, beauties.